Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this Philips Respironics Amara View minimal contact full face mask, size medium. This is a mask for CPAP machines. Here's the packaging. Ooh, this new DreamStation Go travel CPAP machine looks pretty cool. They're advertising that on the back. All right, let's unbox this. It's perforated up top. Here's the mask. Oh, just realized this is hey, what the heck? This is missing the straps. Should come with the full face straps right here, so that's not good. Yeah, what the heck? Shoot. Well, it's supposed to have the straps too. No idea what happened there, Philips. I'll be reaching out to them to get this handled because this is only the nose part, but it should come with this head strap as well. So, a little disappointed. Don't really have issues like that happen much. Like, oh yeah, you see here, it should include the head strap. That's weird. Cool. Well, that's it, everyone. Disappointed it was missing the head strap, but yeah. Hope you all enjoyed this random unboxing video. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you.